Okay, we're back. We're coming to you from the CES 2010 show in Las Vegas, Nevada, out of the Convention Center. Sitting with me again on another interview, Corey. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Mr. Corey Laidlaw. What's happening?
Not much. I'm getting to do some interviews.
Getting to see some pretty good stuff, aren't we?
Yeah.
This one's going to really pique your interest. I know it is. You're going to love it. Buffalo Technology, one of the finest out there. They offer good product, reasonably priced, but very reliable equipment. Always have. And they've been around for quite a while. We're talking with Brian Virenkoff, I believe, isn't it?
That's correct.
How you doing?
Well, thank you.
You are the Director of Business Development.
Yes, sir.
This guy sitting next to you, man. I go back a while with him.
Yeah.
Good people. Good
Certainly.
people. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
What's happening?
Lost my voice. Just doing a lot of press, lot of meetings here.
Okay, I know you come out with some good stuff. You always do. So what's happening?
Well, we have a lot of announcements, but this year, because the CES Consumer Electronics Show, we focused on some of our leading consumer products. We have a couple really innovative products.
Okay.
Something kind of unique to Buffalo that we're going after, a very, very mass market targeted product, which I'll get to right away if you don't mind.
Sure, go.
So it's called the Buffalo Dually. It's our biggest announcement. We did
Buffalo Dually.
Dually, yes.
Okay.
Sort of like the pickup truck.
Yeah.
2 wheels in the back.
Yeah.
That'll all make sense in a few moments. But needless to say, this is a worldwide launch for this product for Buffalo, and this is a worldwide product. We did launch it on Thursday, the 7th, at the beginning of the show. And really what it is it's 2 products in one. Features a USB 2.0 and FireWire 800 hard drive. It's 500 gigabytes portable hard drive. Plug this into a MacBook or PC and use it just like you would use any portable hard drive.
Okay.
Great finish and great quality, but otherwise a pretty ordinary portable hard drive.
Nice design. I like the design.
Yeah, we did set out to design a product, that Apple users, iPod, iPhone users would like.
They have to, man. They're used to sexy stuff.
Yeah. So that's what is sexy. I like that you use that word. But brushed aluminum-like finishes, soft touch finishes, well-weighted products, very, very durable, very solid. So you're getting premium
500 gigabytes, you said.
500 gigabytes
Cool.
portable.
Wow.
Yes. The second product in Dually, and both of these come together, is our USB dual dock. And what this does is it allows, first, obviously, a dock for your portable hard drive,
Okay.
the aforementioned portable hard drive.
Nice.
So when it's in the dock and you connect the dock to your computer, it just shows up like a directly
Regular
connected
drive.
USB drive. Yep.
Exactly.
And
Cool.
in Mac, you can start doing Time Machine, you put your Office files on it, pull it out of the dock, go on the road, access like you use any other portable drive.
Okay.
What's really different about the Dually and the Dually dock is that right in front of it, you have a iPod and or iPhone port.
Good.
We're not plugged in, so it's not working. But once plugged in, it'll begin charging. And over that same USB connection that the dock has to your MacBook or your PC, you can now sync your iPod or iPhone.
How neat is that?
Yeah, and you can simultaneously access the hard drive. So in theory, you could be doing a Time Machine backup, iTunes syncing.
Now, do you have different adapters for that?
Yes, it comes with a bunch of dock adapters, including the iPod Classic, iPod Touch, iPhone 3G,
So you went
3GS.
right at the Apple market with this.
Absolutely.
Straight at it, although the drive can be used either way. But the docking station, the front part, you went right at Apple with it.
Right, and I mean Apple. There's a lot of
turn
PC
that
users
a little bit?
that do use the iPod and iPhone. So it
I
is
do.
it is a Mac focused product, but it's really designed for anybody with an iPod or iPhone.
What do we have in the back? 2
So-
USB ports?
Yeah, we have obviously a power
Right.
port to power the drive, charge your iPhone, the whole 9 yards. This port connects it to the PC or the Mac, just a standard USB connection. This is actually, ironically, my most favorite feature, and it's such a simple feature. But it's 2 more USB ports, USB 2.0 ports.
Functionality for?
It's basically a USB hub. So in my particular case, I plug a USB mouse into it, and my laptop does not have an optical port because it's very, very small. So I have a portable Blu-ray reader-writer that Buffalo makes.
Can you plug another external drive in there?
Absolutely.
And it'll register on your computer or your Mac as
Absolutely.
another drive.
The single USB connection to the computer, it'll
That's
appear.
very cool.
Yeah.
To the
That's
computer,
very
it'll
cool.
appear like you have 4 devices plugged in.
I know you want one.
Yeah. It's like one of the hubs I got a while back, except a lot sleeker.
Exactly. So when I come into the office in the morning, I have both a MacBook Pro as well as a kind of a ultra portable machine. I put it on my desk, single USB port in. I've got my mouse, I've got my optical, I've got my hard drive, and then when necessary for charging or syncing my iPod or iPhone, I just drop it in there.
Now, syncing, what do you sync?
iTunes Music and backing up my iPod.
Applications,
Wow.
stuff like that.
Application stuff, all that on that? Wow, that's neat.
Yeah.
Very good. Not surprised, but good.
Available now on Apple. We're selling it exclusively in Apple retail stores. The
So
pricing.
you're inside the Apple retail stores with these
It will be available for purchase inside the United States next week.
next week.
And we're online right now, and the pricing is $249.99 MSRP.
Not bad.
That includes, we also give you extra cables, so when you take this on the road, you don't have to disassemble your dock. It's really a premium product from Buffalo. Make sure that everything in the box.
$249.
99.
It's not bad with 500 gigabytes
500.
on board.
Yeah, that's
Pretty good price.
with all the
Real good
features.
price. I like the design. I've got to be honest with you. I really think it's a sleek looking design.
So it's well weighted too. Obviously the listeners can't feel that, but it's a solid device.
Not light. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a good looking design.
Can I have the iPhone?
I wish. It's not mine. I need that. That's my life
Might
out
see
here
a
at sea.
USB 3.0.
Absolutely. So we'll move on to the next product, which we have a series of products. First and foremost, Buffalo's a leading storage manufacturer. That's what we're known for. Very performance, reliability, and
Great
technology oriented. This is our DriveStation 3.0 product. We use the term DriveStation for any of our USB desktop format hard drives.
Brian, let me ask you a question. 3.0 was introduced here at CES. Is there really a difference?
Absolutely. Both the interface is 10 times faster than USB 2.0. In reality, for like a USB mouse or a peripheral that has a low data I/O, it's really not a technology that's going to make a mouse
But for that it
significantly
is.
better. But for a storage device that has raw read and write capabilities much faster than the USB 2.0 interface, the USB 3.0 is definitely the ticket.
Interesting. The card, what's the card? I want to get back to that, but I want to see what that is.
So given the newness of USB 3.0, it's not going to be available in every notebook. It's not going to be available in every desktop until the time goes on and it becomes part of mini devices. So Buffalo's created a notebook adapter. This uses Express Card 34, so it's compatible with any notebook that has Express Card 34 or Express Card 54. It gives you two USB 3.0 ports, so you can actually use two of these devices together. This is your simple solution, basic street price of about $59, gives you USB 3.0 functionality for your Windows PC. This is the more desktop derivative, again, to USB 2.0 ports, uses PCI Express. It's an X1 slot. So
Compatibility, no problem with anything inside the computer.
Yeah.
Plugs right in and goes.
yeah, XP and up in Windows, not 2000, I apologize, XP, Vista, Windows 7, 32, 64-bit.
Excellent, excellent. Now, what's the size of this?
We sell this in a 1.0, a 1.5, and a 2.0 terabytes. There's 3 different capacity marks.
Jay, why we're in terabytes like it's nothing now, huh?
Just like to give them away.
What's the
Give it
next
away.
level?
Right now, the 2.0 terabyte hard drive is the largest physical hard drive manufactured by hard drive manufacturers. As the capacities increase, there's some talk of 3.0 terabyte hard drives in the future. Obviously, we will be able to provide that in
Brian,
this
you guys still
product.
doing that great NAS unit you have?
Absolutely. NAS still kind of our bread and butter product in the U.S.
Super product.
Yes.
Super product.
Up to 8 terabytes because, again, we'll use 4 2 terabyte hard
What about
drives.
servers? Are you doing anything in the server area?
It's ironic. It's ironic that you mentioned that because we actually launched a brand new. It's a network storage server, but it's powered by Windows.
Windows Home Server?
Actually, Windows Storage Server 2003. So it's a full-blown business server.
SMB or
Yeah, it's definitely for the SMB and above. It's designed to seamlessly.
home office type thing?
It may be. Yeah, it may be slightly larger than the Soho, which is.
Email capability, the whole thing, huh?
It's just Windows Storage Server, so it's designed
Cool.
specifically for file storage, but has 100% integration into Microsoft, both workgroup and domain networks.
Is that all up on your website?
It is
Which is?
buffalotech.com or
Great.
www.buffalotech.com.
You see, you learn after a while when you know certain companies that you don't have to be afraid to ask the question, because you already know that the answer is going to be there, because they always have the great product.
Yeah.
They do make a good quality product. I've had some of their product. I've never had any problems whatsoever with it.
That's
None.
amazing.
So we do pride ourselves on engineering. We're an engineering-focused company with
Well,
you
one
know,
of the
a lot
things that you
this
really should pride yourself on is your service.
Yeah.
You got great service.
Absolutely. In the United States, we have 24/7, 365 service for the life of the product. So it's not just in the warranty term or in the first 90 days, and it's 100% operated out of the United States, Chicago to be
Show being
exact.
good to you?
The show been very, very good, very exciting. We have a very exciting
That's a
dually
slick product.
product.
You should do really, really
Yeah.
well with that.
Yeah, we're extremely excited about it.
Send me some, Jay, send me some high resolutions on that.
Absolutely,
I'd
absolutely.
like to feature that up on my website.
Sure thing.
All right?
I'm going to email it to you right away.
Yeah,
For sure.
get those off to me. That's a good looking product.
Appreciate
Well, Brian,
it.
thanks so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it.
Oh, it's been
Jay,
only our
always
pleasure.
a pleasure seeing you.
Always a pleasure. We go way back, John.
Yeah,
we go way
do,
back.
we do. Well, you better take care of that. You better do some tea or something.
You know how it is. As PR guys, we have to keep talking, right?
Yeah, talk all the time, huh?
It's Vegas,
All right,
baby.
guys. I'm going to jump out of here. Thanks so much for coming by.
Our
That was
pleasure. Thank
Buffalo,
you.
and we talked with Brian and Jay. Thank you very much for sitting in. We're going to
you.
take a little break. We'll be right back.